Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using NX. While modeling any component in NX, first do the add material feature, then go for the remove material feature. After modeling this component in NX, the component will look like this. This is the final object. Now we'll recreate this component using NX. First go to the file, new. Make sure you are chosen a model. Our units are in millimeter, so choose millimeter. Then specify the file name, specify the location, say OK. This is our model. Now we'll create this model. First we'll start from this section. We'll extrude up to the length of 60. First go to the sketch, front plane, say OK. First draw this line. Here you can see the radius is 30, so 30 plus 60. Take a line. This is 30. Just put a line 1. The total length is here is 60. The radius also 30 plus 30, 60 is 180. The maximum length is 180. Just enter it, say yes, press the roller to confirm. Make this as symmetric to this line, this point and this line. Say OK. Now we have created this line. Then we'll offset this line to the distance of 12 mm. Go to offset. Here it is coming negative side, minus 12. Just apply it. Now we have created this. Then close the sketch. Similarly here also, just close the sketch. Now we just want to create this arcs. For that, take the arc. Make sure you are in the center and ends. This is a center point. Now the radius of this arc is 24. Click here and here. Press the roller to confirm. Again go to the arc, center and ends. This is a center point. Now specify the radius as 36. Press enter. Just click here and click here. Now we have created both the arc. Now we just want to remove the unwanted edges using a trim. Trim this one. Control Z. Take the trim. Delete these segments. Cannot trim off middle section of offset curve. Say OK. Trim this one. Trim this one. Now close it. Now delete this curve also. Now take a line again. This point. Just put a line like this. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Go to trim. Trim this one. Trim this one. Just close it. Just make sure you are in the horizontal line. This is 12 mm. Similarly, take a line here, here. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Trim this one and this one. Then close it. Now we just want to remove this edge also. Go to trim this one as well as this one. Then close it. Now we got the fully defined sketch. Finish sketch. Go to extrude. Make this as a symmetric value. Total extrusion length is 60. Here make it this one. Total extrusion length is 60. Just say OK. Then hide the sketch. Now we just want to make this feature. Here we can finish this round also. Just use the edge blend. Select this edge as well as select this edge. The radius is 30 mm. Just apply it. The same has to be done here also. Select this one and this one. This is 30 mm. Say OK. Now we have created this bottom feature. Then we will go for the back side, this plate. For that, go to the sketch again. Select the surface. Say OK. Now take a circle. Now take a line. Just put one line. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Specify the dimension as 110. Any value we can provide. This is for the I'm going to use this as an axis line. Construction. Take the circle. Just create a circle. The diameter of the circle is 40. Press the roller to confirm. From here to the bottom height is, from here to the bottom distance is, here they have given, that is 88. From here to this distance, which is 88, press the roller to confirm. Now we have created the circle. Then connect the bottom circle with a tangent line. From this point to the tangent line, press the roller to confirm. Similarly, select from here this point, make a tangent line. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now we just want to create one more line here using arc. This is center point, first point, second point. Now we have defined the complete sketch. Press the roller to confirm again. Now remove the unwanted edges by using a trim. Just trim this one and this one. Then close it and go for finish sketch. Extrude. Select the sketch. Specify a symmetric value. The thickness is not the symmetric value, one side only. Go for the value. Here it is 0. Here change the direction. Inside, that is 12 mm. Just 12. Say OK. Now we have created this feature also. Then we will extend the cylinder. For that, go to the sketch again. Select the surface. Say OK. Take the circle. This one is the center one. Click it here. Press the roller to confirm. Finish the sketch. Go for extrusion. Here make it unite. Total length of extrusion is 34. Just say OK. Now we have created this feature also. Then we just want to create a rib. Here the rib feature will not work properly. So we just want to some extra sketch we need to do. For that, go to the sketch again. Say OK. Take the line. Here just click it here. Select one point. This point. Here just click it here. Select from the list. This point. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now just orient the view. Just orient to the view. Here. Here. Now we just want to define this length. Here you can see 12 mm is gone. From 60 to 12, we just go to the dimension. From here to this point, which is 60 minus 12. Control Z. This distance is 60, and here we just want to make it, the radius has to be specified. Radius is 36. From here to bottom, the distance is 36. Similarly, this point has to be defined. From this point to this edge, this is 34. Press the roller to confirm. Same this point. From the bottom is this is a leave it. Just finish the sketch. Just go for the rib tool. Here you can see the target cannot properly cap the open profile smart volume. The same error only you will get. To avoid this error, just go to the edit sketch. We need to go for extrusion only. Take this line. This point, just extrude. Make sure you are in the entire assembly. From here, this is 22. Go to the profile line again. This point. From here. Just delete it. Just delete this also. Just go for the orient to the sketch. Take a line. This point. Somehow just go down. Here we just connect it. Just make a connection. This is, you make it a horizontal line. This is, you make it as a vertical line. Specify the dimension as 48. Specify the dimension as 44. Just finish the sketch. Then go for the extrude. Select the sketch. Normal. Make it symmetric value. Unite. Thickness is 12 mm. Save OK. This is the only possible way we can create a rib in this model, because the rib is properly not defined in this type of cylindrical. There will be a two cylindrical object. Now we'll go for the remove material features. For that, first go to the hole. Take this hole. Just place it on this here. The diameter of the hole is 24, and make it until next. Just apply it. Here we just want to make it similarly. Here the diameter of the hole is 24. Here also be 24. Same normal to the face until next. Subtract. Save OK. Now we have created all the features. Just go here. Orient view. Isometric. Now we have finished modeling of this component. I hope you like this video. For next tutorial, we'll come up with a new component. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.